Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Arbitrum bridge receipts for accounting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Arbitrum wallet. Navigate to the Arbitrum bridge section. Locate the section that lists your recent transactions. Identify the receipt for the transaction you wish to back up. Click on the transaction to open its details. Take note of essential information such as transaction ID, date, and amounts. To save the receipt, look for a download option, usually marked as export or download. Select the preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. If no download option is available, take a screenshot of the transaction details. Open your screenshot or downloaded file to ensure the information is clear and readable. Next, organize your backups. Create a designated folder on your device for Arbitrum bridge receipts. Label the folder clearly, indicating it is for Arbitrum transactions. Within this folder, create subfolders by year or by the type of transaction for easier access. For each transaction receipt, save the file in the appropriate subfolder. Ensure all your receipts are dated and well organized for future reference. After backing up your receipts on your device, consider an additional backup option. Upload copies to a secure cloud storage service for extra safety. Make sure your cloud storage account is protected with strong security measures. Regularly check your backups to confirm that all receipts are intact and accessible. Document the backup process in your accounting records for future audits or reviews. If you use accounting software, consider integrating transaction receipts into it. Finally, familiarize yourself with the process of retrieving these receipts when required. Keeping your Arbitrum bridge receipts organized will simplify your accounting efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.